It's written on your skin and it's cologne. You're way too close to be just friends. Y'all holding hands, y'all making plans, y'all plotting. You disappear for days, you just go ghost. Where the hell you go? Are you in bed with him instead of trying to mend this? Please let it out. Let that brutal honesty spill out your mouth. I already know what this is all about. I just need you to tell me the truth. Did you let somebody hold on to you the way I would? The way I would. Did you? Your eyes say